Hey guys, Brian with WP Cupid Blog, and in this video, I'm going to be providing you with a Bluehost coupon code that will get you a Bluehost discount of up to 67% off on Bluehost web hosting, plus a free domain name. To get your Bluehost coupon code discount, click the link below in the description and the discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Bluehost discount. Now let me walk you through the steps of getting the Bluehost coupon discount. Once you click the link in the description, it'll take you to the Bluehost homepage. Click the Get Started button. You'll see 4 different plans you can choose from: the Basic, Plus, Choice Plus, and a Pro plan. You'll see the normally price crossed out with the price you'll pay above it. You'll notice above the plans it'll have 12 months, 24 months, and 36 months. You can change the length of time you want to purchase Bluehost for. You'll notice you will get the greatest discount the farther out you purchase hosting for. Click Select on the plan you'd like to go with. You'll now be on the domain page where you can choose a free domain name for your site. If you already have a domain name, you can type in the Use a Domain You Own section. If you aren't sure on a domain name yet, you can click the I'll create my domain later link. This will let you choose a free domain name when you are ready from the Bluehost dashboard. Once you complete this step, you'll be directed to a page where you will enter your account information along with selecting any package extras you'd like and enter your payment information details. At this point, you have successfully purchased Bluehost hosting with the Bluehost coupon code discount. Enjoy your Bluehost coupon code discount. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.